Hey, and welcome to another episode from the Postapocalyptic Garage. Today I ran into a little bit of a problem, and I think that everyone who uses tools, who works on site or somewhere else, or even have a little home shop, knows exactly what I mean. I had only a little toolkit with me, and I was working on an American car. As many of you know, I really enjoy American cars. Currently I'm owning just the 85 Camaro and the Jeep Grand Cherokee, which you have seen in one of our last videos. But many of my friends have Blazers and Broncos and F-150s, so I have to work a lot on cars like this. And the biggest problem we are facing is to not having the right spanners for the job. I have already a ton of metric tools in my toolkit, and having the right tools for the job with us is sometimes very difficult. I know that you guys overseas are working a lot with tools like this one, but especially as I learned a profession as a metal worker, I call these things professional bolt rounders. And I'm sure every one of you knows what I'm talking about. Because if you don't have adjusted this thing really perfectly, you will round over the bolt head and you will not have a chance to get the bolt out and not destroying it. I really get the principle of the things. You have only 3 tools basically to get around every size of bolt, so you will save a lot of space and you will save a lot of weight in your kit, but I don't think they are the best option, especially when it comes to hydraulic parts or to parts of the braking system of a car. I don't really trust them as much. Even worse are these older ones, so you can't adjust them really well. They have a lot of play in it, and they are really not my preferred tool for every work I come in contact with. So our project today will be to get the best of both worlds. Number 1, getting only 3 basic tools for basically any size of bolt you have to remove, and also having the perfectly adjusted tool for every work like you have on these spanners without taking a ton of equipment with you. Also, I want to have the capability that I have with these ring spanners, because they are really great and you can engage the head of the bolt all around. But the downside is that, especially on hydraulic lines or brake lines, you're not able to get to the nut with a ring spanner like that. I have a rough plan on how to do it, and now let's see if it works. Okay, so now we finished our quick little build today. For this size we used a bicycle chain. You can also use a chain like this one for bigger sizes and a much longer lever like this. But I think this little chain here will be already fit for the most bolts you are encountering in your day-to-day life. What we have here now are 3 different sizes of bolts, and we'll try it out and see if it works. Okay, for sure this is not the best way to open a bolt, but it will definitely help you out in a day-to-day situation. And remember one thing, you don't have to carry with you your whole toolkit, you just have one tool to open nearly every kind of bolt or every kind of nut you encounter. And for sure this is better than having nothing. This is it for today, guys. I hope you liked this episode, and as I said in the last video, due to the very positive comments we get from all of you guys, there is a Patreon account now, so check the link out here or check it out in the video description below. Please consider a monthly donation of only $1, because this $1 of you really help us to keep this channel going and to keep this channel growing. So thank you for checking out the Patreon. Don't forget to like this video, leave us a comment in the comment section below. Sorry for the quick video today, we are really busy right now, so getting out a longer video was not really possible this week. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, have a nice evening and we'll see us next time.